Hi, in this video I'll show you how to reset the fixed interval inspection light on VW Polo 2019. So start with ignition has to be off. We need to press and hold this left button on the dashboard, and then ignition on. I have to put the camera down. Okay, press and hold, turn the ignition on, release it, and press and hold again. That's the reset inspection. Release the button again, and then right hand side press and hold, press and release. That's the service interval reset message will appear on the dashboard. And that's all done. You need to turn the ignition off, turn back on to check it's all been resetted. Yes, all done. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.